Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, we are going to upgrade the drivers of the display. So just go to search bar and type here device manager and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we will expand the display adapter. So here it is. Just expand this, right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. If you are connected, then you can select the first option, then the base drivers will be installed automatically. And if this not works, then you can choose the second one option, browse my computer for drivers. Then select this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select the model and then click on next. So once done, close all windows one by one. And there is another way to fix this issue, that just go to search bar, type here settings and click here to open it. Now click on display and you can just check out these options, like you can change the display resolution, you can change it, and you can try this option. So you can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.